Hiya YouTube. Today's video is going to be an air raid siren prank on my grandparents, Basically what I'm doing, I'm trying to prank my grandparents tonight. Oh my god. Right, the plan is, I'm actually going to do, I've got an air raid siren sound effect on my CD player. I'm actually going to set it off soon. Then I'm actually going to set it off in a minute. Oh my god. The air raid sirens prank is going to be amazing. Oh my god. Yeah. And please subscribe to my channel. It would be greatly appreciated. I am going to do it in a minute. Oh my god. I just hope I don't get caught. I hope they don't wake up and say, "What you doing, Will? It's 10 o'clock at night." Oh my god. I hope you like this video, and I am actually going to do a vlog now. Oh my god, are you ready for this air raid siren prank? I'm a bit nervous, just in case I might get told off by whoever comes in with my mum and granddad. Oh my god. I hope you enjoy this prank. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Basically, what it is, I got it from my friend, this CD. Basically, I'm gonna do it soon. I'm actually going to do an air raid siren prank. Basically, what it is, it's a World War II air raid siren. I'm gonna play it for you in a minute. Like, let's get this prank underway in a minute. Yeah. I hope I don't get complaints from next door or grandma. Yeah. I hope I don't get complaints from my neighbours or my friends. Yeah. Oh my god. Here we go. I'm actually nervous for this air raid siren prank. Seriously, I am. I hope I don't get caught before I set the air raid siren off. Actually, yeah, I hope I don't get into trouble. I'm actually, yeah, oh my god, I'm so nervous for this prank. I hope it goes to plan. I hope it doesn't get cut off. Here we go, yes. Right, oh my god, are you ready? We're gonna do it in 5, 4, is it already on? No. Or just setting it up now, yeah? I hope you enjoy this. Yeah. Here we go. There she blows. There she blows. What do I do? Turn the lights off. Nah, stop that idea, it won't work. I hope you enjoy this prank. Yeah. I hope you, yeah. Bye.